Sorry! The weather sucks. Timeline check, the Shibui show was last night. If you haven't seen it, go see it. I packed this morning. My hair is still looking pretty good. Actually, it's not. Well, we're heading to Cape Cod. I'm actually in Plymouth right now. I stopped to get a little snack. It's actually a little lackluster. It's not gonna be beach vibes. It's raining. And it's going to be cloudy for the next 2 days with on and off rain, which sucks because I really wanted to see the supermoon rise out of the ocean because that would have been really cool. Family weekend down at the Cape.
What do you think? Oh, she's going to jump right into a car.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Declan, are you cold? No. Shivering. Okay. Didn't mean to stroke your leg.
That was scary. Do I really like?
It is scary, but I really like it.
Now, Declan, careful when you come over. There's a car coming.
Oh, so when you get...
Yep.
Just wait right here for a sec. Let the car pass.
Do you want ice cream right now if we make it right now? Are you going to have some or do you just want to watch me make it? Or help me make it?
I want to help you make it and have some right now.
Okay. Okay, is it with your mom if you have some right now? Oh, but it seems like your mom says it's not okay for you to have any right now.
You can go pawning this off on me. I'm the bad guy, you know.
Mama, could I have some ice cream?
Of course you're going to.
Okay, let's make some ice cream.
Okay, let's make some ice cream.
Are you a sheep or a monkey?
A screaming owl monkey.
Oh, okay, specific.
Whoa, you made me not do these. Wow.
The bubble accident. Can you see where the bubble accident happened?
See where the bubble
Worst
accident.
accidents to happen with kids, let me just say.
Peace down. Peace down, peace down, peace down. Cut your seatbelt.
Another rainy day in the Cape. It has not yet started raining, but it will. The sun came out for like 3 minutes. It's all good. I am feeling like maybe I would like a bagel. Colin is currently working remotely upstairs. It's almost 10 o'clock, so it's not like I did get up super early, but then I went back to bed and took a morning nap, so I really want a bagel though.